Before I even start this video, I would love to ask why so much hatred for one person, or should I say why so much hatred for two persons, Emmanuel and Liko Rose? Because guys, this is too much. Honestly, the body shaming, all those stuffs. Anyways, let's just go straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all had an amazing day. Yes, hope you all had a great day. Welcome back once again. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking, always stopping by. Okay, so guys, I have plenty for you all. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's dive straight into the video. Over here, this person says Emma isn't attracted to Rose. He is doing it for the sake of fans. You already need to see numerous doctors, I swear. If you are thinking Emmanuel cannot get whatever shippers are gifting him for himself and evil triple it, you all just need to accept this one thing. He left you also called perfectly figured faves to pursue the tomboy. He left the big asses to die behind the small ass. He left his mates to ride for that one that gave him 2 years gap in age. He is Mr. Africa. He has seen babes of different sizes, but he shows peace of mind. You all aren't ready for that shit. He loves her. Shame your agendas are just funny and baseless. Guys, what do you all have to say about this? Just drop your comment in the comment section. In the beginning, the person was sounding as if he doesn't like seeing Liko Rose around Emmanuel. At the end again, the person is also sounding like I don't really understand what this person is trying to say. Beginning, you are sounding harsh. Now at the end of the everything that he or she wrote, she's now sounding like I love them both, this is blah blah blah. Emmanuel shows peace of mind, whatever it is. Anyways guys, just drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, let's move over to the next one. Right over here, this person says Liko Rose, madam, there is something called boobs surgery. Ask Stacy and Daisy Biko. We tired of seeing your small pimple, Abby. Silicone, baby, silicone. She's not going to do it, and she must not do it. See guys, one thing some people don't even know about all this surgery stuff is that I'm laughing at some of you because at old age, let me just laugh a bit. You might be enjoying it right now. Yes, you're enjoying it. Hey, my body is banging, my body is doing this, my body is doing that. Hey, I love my body so much. But at old age, just that 3-letter words, old, O-L-D. Let me not even say too much because at that time, you'll be like, oh my God, what have I done to myself? This, that. It won't last. Stop it, okay? And yes, Liko Rose is not going to do it. She loves her body the way it is. Over here, Emeka Oji, so you think trolling Rose and saying she has muscle body will change anything? She said nobody can drag her backwards. That's my baby girl. Being body shamed isn't new to Rose. She passed that stage. She doesn't get moved with your nonsense. Please find something else to throw her with. This one is boring, outdated. And yes, also, she said it while in Big Brother's house that yes, people always said that she looks like a tomboy, she has muscles, blah, 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 all those stuffs. And guys, you all should know that yes, people have, in fact, she has been hearing that, stuff people were saying about her body, about herself, about Liko Rose. She has been hearing those stuff for a very long period of time, and yeah, she is used to it. Okay, and again, people are signing her. She's getting deals with her same body that you guys are trolling. It may seem as though some of you don't have sense. In Big Brother's voice. Over here, this one says, see what is abusing Liko Rose and calling her ugly. Okay, guys, before I even dive straight into this, They dropped a person's picture, but I'm so sorry, I'm not going to show you guys the person's picture. Okay. Yes, the person, I think the person is also trolling Liquor Rose, calling her all sorts of name. But if you see the person, let me zip my lips. Over here says, see what is abusing Liquor Rose and calling her ugly madam. First of all, change that about top you have on. Throw away that thing on your eyes that looks like something made from broken glasses and other glasses from House of Lunet. That's if you even have money to feed, talk less of buying premium glasses. Use that rubbish on your head to wash your dirty toilet and beg Liquor Rose to spare you one of her expensive wigs. My girl will pity you because your situation is bad, heartbroken. Before you abuse someone, look at yourself first and make sure you don't look like something the gods rejected. That is why I myself, I won't try abusing someone, because guys, if I do that, I have to first of all check my account balance and check that person's own. I'm on account balance they talk, no be anyhow. Over here, this person says, it's how I come online these days. See haters hating on Rose as usual. Body shaming as usual, but I'm cool as ever. I have come to realize that FOOLS will always be that thing that, yes, I just pronounced. And there's absolutely nothing arguing with mentally deranged people. My focus is Rose and some of my faves. 100% Tacha. You are just a child who lacks home training. You clearly look hungry and malnourished. Continue being a FOOL. Normally, Rose no be your mate to start with. Rose is not their mate, guys. See, Rose is not even their mate. See, before you talk about someone, first of all, take a good look at yourself from head to toe. Check your account balance. I'm always saying this thing, check your account balance, because the way your people are trolling her, if she decide to sue people to court, how much she go with, she get money. I over here, this person says, shine your eye, housemates that are making it big. White Money, Emmanuel, Pere, Cross, Maria, Sasuke, Rose, Achievement, IG followers, the rest are unachievers in truth icon voice. I beg go notice in the comment section. Yes, all these people are making it, and where is the person did not. Saga is also making it. Angel is also making it. These are the shine your eye housemates that I know that are doing very well. Queen is also doing very well for herself. Even before Big Brother, she was doing very well. So yes, and the person even forgot to add some other people. But anyways, let me just say that the person forgot. Right over here, this person said, if you are talking about impact, then it's Liquor Rose. However, if you are talking about raw talent, it's still Liquor Rose. If you are talking about potential, it's Liquor Rose again. Unless, of course, we are talking about looks, then it's Liquor Rose. If we're talking about fashion, she's still of course, when it comes to impact, when it comes to talent, guys, when it comes to talent, first of all, because Liquor Rose wowed almost all the Africans that's watched Big Brother Naija. That their first task that Big Brother gave them, that their Friday, whatever is it, task or game, whatever is it that they call it. In fact, that girl did not even forget one single line. Oh my God, I was wowed. I cried tears of joy after watching that. I was like, God, I was having goosebumps, honestly. And over here, Beatrice says, it is a woman's duty to keep the home calm. The more you spend your time making it work all by yourself, the tougher it gets. If it's not showing effort, leave early or stay wishing and regretting all your life. She is right. You guys know that she has been in a relationship and the thing did not even work for her. And yes, she is 100% right. If you're a woman and you're always saying, it's my duty to do this, it's my duty to do that one, whereas your husband is right there or your man is right there doing nothing, you're just there suffering yourself, saying, my husband will change. That is how it's supposed to be. Okay, let me zip my mouth before some people will come and say, what do you know? What do I know? Let me tell you all what. I am married and I have been in a relationship for good 9 years. If you don't know that, know it today, my there. Let me even laugh because say you guys don't even know anything, have not even seen anything. She is 100% right. Beatrice or Beatrice, whatever you guys call it, she is 100% right. Okay. So guys, I think this is where I will be ending this video. If you enjoyed watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to click on that bell subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you. Happy New Year.